Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Delhi Declaration on Civil Aviation. The second Asia Pacific Ministerial Conference on Civil Aviation concluded with the adoption of the Delhi Declaration. The conference took place from September 11 to September 12, 2024 at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. It was organized by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India in collaboration with the International Civil Aviation Organization. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the adoption of the Delhi Declaration, marking a key step towards regional cooperation in civil aviation. Now let's talk about the highlights of the conference. Prime Minister Modi highlighted India's advancements in aviation, especially noting that 15% of pilots in India are women, significantly higher than the global average of 5%. The Prime Minister proposed the creation of an international Buddhist circuit connecting holy places related to Lord Buddha across Asia, which would benefit the civil aviation sector and regional economies. ICAO's 80th anniversary was commemorated by initiatives such as the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign, where 80,000 saplings were planted to symbolize sustainable growth. ICAO President Salvatore underscored the importance of maintaining focus on aviation safety and security despite the progress being made in the sector. The conference addressed topics such as aviation safety, air navigation, and the importance of green aviation for sustainability. ICAO presented a plan to establish the Pacific Small Island Developing States Liaison Office to assist smaller nations in overcoming aviation-related challenges. The emphasis was placed on collaborative efforts between governments, international organizations, and startups to ensure the future growth and safety of civil aviation. Now it's time for the practice question. What percentage of pilots in India are women as highlighted by PM Modi? 5%, 10%, 15% or 20%? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.